All right. So how do you find probability, or how do you interpret this? So if I want to find probability of A and it's 3/10, then I'm going to take, this is a 10 by 10 grid. I'm going to take 3/10 and just like highlight that. So this is the probability of A would be like in this section right here. Okay, because that's 3/10. Then say I want to find the probability of B. The probability of B is 3/5. Well, if I think about that, that equals 6/10, right? So I would color 6/10 of this. So I'll color that on the rows. So probability of A looks like that, the reddish stuff. Probability B is going to be 3/5, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/10. So probability of B would kind of look like this section. And you see there's some overlap there, right? So if I wanted the probability of A or B, then I would just take all this shaded stuff, right? Except that I have this double shaded section right here. So I don't want to count that part twice. So when I want to do the probability of A or B, I need to say, okay, well, I'm going to do, basically I'm like adding up these two sections, right? So I want to add up, let me make my pen right. I want to add up 3/10 plus, I want to add up this part. Let me write it as 6/10 so I could actually add them together. But then I need to subtract away the double shaded part. And the double shaded part is 1, 2, 3. It's like 3 by 6. So it's 18 little squares there, and there's 100 total here. So I would need to subtract the double shaded part, the 18, out of 100. So my probability of A or B being in either of these shaded sections is, I just add the two together, but then I have to subtract away the double counted part. If I want to know the probability of A and B, then that's the overlapping part. And so all I look at for A and B is the actual overlapped section right here, which we already counted up as, that's like 6 by 3, 18, and that's out of 100 total. So this is 18 out of 100. So probability of A and B, the word and makes it really small. It's just the overlap section, or makes it really big because it's like the combined sections overall. And this would be 30 100ths plus 60 100ths, right? So that's 90 100ths minus 18 100ths. So 90 minus 18 is 0.72. So the probability of A or B is actually 0.72, and the probability of A and B is actually 0.18. And we could write these as decimals, so that's 0.3, and that's 0.6.